Why they will not?
Because the matter has been
See,
listed
it
for.
has to be processed. There's certain procedure,
Yes, my
is
lord.
not it?
Yes, my lord.
So you are required to submit some documents.
Yes, my lord. I will.
Accordingly, they'll prepare it.
I will submit.
Why the direction of the court is required?
My lord, they are denied some other benefit, my lord, leave encashment, GIS, gratuity, etc. Therefore, this matter is kept pending, my lord. For last 35 occasion, this matter has been listed.
Hmm?
Yes, my lord.
35?
Occasion, my lord, this matter has been
Take it up today.
indirectly, my lord, they will submit the document, my lord. They will produce that letter
Hmm. What letter?
to directing us to produce.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Suppose the your pension benefits, pensionary benefits has to be prepared, right?
Yes.
They require some documents.
I will
You have
submit.
to submit.
Yes, ma'am. Already
Once
we
you
have submitted.
submit, they'll prepare it.
My lord, I have
For
already.
that, what direction is required?
I have already submitted all the documents.
Then
Then again they have asked.
you don't want to submit.
We will submit whatever we have, my lord.
That's what I'm saying. You submit. If they don't do it, come back. We'll dispose of the matter today. What do you say?
Only I pray for adjournment today.
Not adjournment. We just cannot just see. Huh?
We'll wait, my lord, till the matter is then.
Then after a week,
Yes,
think about it.
yes.
Unless you submit the documents,
They
the required
cannot-
documents, they cannot prepare. Then you cannot agitate. You cannot say that I've not been. My case has not been taken. I mean, my pension has not been prepared.
My lord, I will submit today or tomorrow, and matter may be listed after 1 week.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. At least this matter after 2 weeks,
Yes.
so as to enable him to submit required documents for preparation of pension
Yes, ma'am. And other
pensionary
30
benefits to the appropriate authority.
Yes. Obliged. May please also, I beg to mention item number 11 and 12, my lord.
Yes.
Matter may adjourn, my lord, for a week, my lord. I have given consent from the, my lord, item number council, legal council of the item number 12 also, my lord. After a week, my lord.
What is the matter?
Matter, my lord, some benefit yet to be received by the petitioner, my lord.
What some benefits? What
What?
benefits?
Regarding? My lord, the petitioners are initially appointed as the member of foreigner tribunal, my lord. They are dismissed, my lord.
12 lakh
Discharge.
60 some odd amount.
Some amount, my lord.
All money and some the higher rent,
My
car
lord.
rent.
My lord, yes.
Who is for the,
And
who has to pay that?
My lord, state government, my lord.
State government, which department?
Home department. Home and political department.
Yes, who is appearing?
And central government has not filed affidavit, my lord.
Central government also.
How these are being expenses are being borne? How many petitioners?
My lord, 17.
You are back to practice.
17, no, my lord.
You are
Already.
back to practice.
No, no. Yes.
No, as a lawyer.
Oh, my lord. All are back to back.
Forget it. You have served some for some time. Rest, you have got it. Other remuneration you got
Already
it.
got. After
Done
a
it?
week, my lord.
Donate
Well,
it to the government.
After a week, madam, fixed.
No, you donate it to the government for public service. See, as a lawyer, we have also a duty towards the society. It will be public money. Let there be some, let this money to be spent in some development or social welfare. We'll direct them to pay, but then it should be utilized for social welfare or other development activities, but not to the lawyers. What do you say? Yes,
Yes, Lordship, we have filed our affidavit, Lordship.
saying what?
I have to go through the affidavit, Lordship.
Madam,
Our
these are
senior
simple
citizen, but-
matters. Are you disputing their entitlement? Yes, sir, we'll dispose it off. We'll allow the writ petition, but then this amount should be, you are entitled, but then you show your magnanimity to the society. Let
Then, my
this
lord,
money be spent by the government in social welfare activities.
then I have to receive instruction, my lord,
Hmm?
from other petitioners, my lord.
Next week,
My lord.
we'll dispose of the matter. We'll allow the writ petition, but the amount which you are entitled should be spent in some other welfare activities. Talk to the lawyers.
My lord.
That would be the on the part of, it would be too magnanimous on the part of the lawyers.
My lord.
After 2 weeks, after 1 week,
My lord.
all right. On the matter pertains to claim of remuneration by the set of lawyers who are back in practice for the in respect of the duties they were entrusted as a
Member.
member of the Foreigners Tribunal in the state of Assam. List of the specific claim is in respect of, what is this?
My lord,
In respect of
car rent and
car rental
And
charges
and fuel.
and
Fuel.
fuel expenses incurred by the members, public petitioners.
and have placed.
Hmm. Considering that the petitioners are back to the noble practice of the profession
Done.
after being discharged from the after relinquished their duty as a member of the tribunal. I'm of the considered view that the petitioners are entitled to the amount paid by them. However, since the lawyer's profession is a noble profession, and being a lawyer, being an officer of the court, has a duty towards the society, I would, this court would request the learned counsel to have a word with the petitioners so that the amount can be utilized for the welfare, social welfare activities or any development activities of this, the government. On the prayer to obtain instruction, Mr. K.R. Patgiri, learned counsel for the petitioner, is granted a week's time according list this matter after a week.
My lord.
Hopefully they will agree.
My lord. Oblige.
May I-
Just wait. The
Yes, Lordship.
MS
S. Borua,
S. Barua, London District Council to
for 2 and 4, Lordship.
place the instruction on the next date
We have filed
As
our
the-
affidavit,
as
Lordship.
their whatever you have not gone through, whatever instruction is what is it? As regards their entitlements of the petitioners, particularly whether the petitioners, whether the amount claim is admitted or admitted or not.
Oblige.
Oblige, Lordship. May I please, your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, with consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 8 and 9, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, matter may be kindly taken up in the first week of December, Lordship.
What is the matter?
Lordship, matter is to publication of seniority cum merit list, Lordship.
Hmm?
Seniority cum merit list, Lordship.
Genetic merit.
Seniority list.
One graduation list has been prepared by the district industry of commerce builder.
Yes.
And we have been placed as CLM in the merit list 1 and 2.
Hmm.
So they challenge this builder.
Why?
My senior is out of time, Lordship, one.
On the prayer of MS so and so learned counsel, appearing on behalf of
Petitioner, Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioners. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks,
Lordship, first week of December, Lordship.
3 weeks.
Right.
May I please your lordship,
Yes.
with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 18 lordship for adjournment lordship. I'm praying for an adjournment today,
You are?
for the respondent lordship.
Okay, you have taken consent.
Yes, lordship.
MS so and so learned counsel for the respondent number
5, 6 and 7.
F6 and 7, and on the consent of the learned counsel for the petitioner. Press for adjournment of the matter. There is a lot list.
Lordship,
After
can the
2
matter
weeks.
maybe fixed at 6th of November lordship?
Why? Why it should be given preference? What is the urgency is there? 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, lordship, 1-4.
Hmm.
This matter may be adjourned, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, senior counsel is out of station, lordship.
On the ground that Mr. PJ Sekia, that is senior counsel for the petitioner is out of the station, MS so and so, learned counsel, press for appearing on his behalf, press for listing of the matter after 4 weeks,
Lordship, can it be on first week of December, lordship?
4 weeks,
2 weeks, lordship.
then 3 weeks.
Right, lordship.
Wait, please, sir. Well, item number 37 and 38, Malad, we're filing the affidavit, the contempt cases. Malad. I may be allowed to call
37
for the
38.
37 and 38.
Have you taken consent?
Well, no, we're filing the affidavit, Malad. I may be allowed to call for the affidavits, Malad.
Affidavit, this is a contempt.
Contempt. Grateful.
Wait, please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. We have taken consent from the respondent side. The matter may kindly be fixed after 1 week, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, we have filed our affidavit in reply, and the matter may kindly be fixed on a hearing date, Lordship.
Oh, we'll see. Oh, what is the matter here?
Matter is about, it's about promotion and pay scale. So he was not getting the desired pay scale.
Okay, heard Mr. So and so. Your name, please?
US Bora.
Your name is not there.
Oh, I'm on behalf of Mr. S. Borthakur.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Borthakur, learned counsel for the petitioner. A writ petition is admitted for hearing. List the matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
May I please, your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 52 of the daily list, my lord.
52.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
Yes.
matter may be adjourned for the day, my lord.
Why?
Arguing counsel, Mr. P.K. Munir is not well, my lord.
Hmm?
Arguing counsel, Mr. P.K. Munir is not well, my lord.
What is the matter?
My lord, it's we have challenged the selection list, my lord. In the office of the Director of Public and Relation.
Any appointment has been made?
No, my lord.
Huh? Public Service Commission.
Public Relation and Information Department.
Okay. New selection process.
Yes, sir.
New selection process. Which year?
24.
23.
Yes.
So, what in 25?
He's not well, my lord.
Any appointment made or any selection process?
Not aware of it.
When you are not aware, why you are making a mention?
He's not well. He has taken the consent from the other side, madam.
It's not only the consent. Anyway, on the ground that Mr. P.K. Munir, learned counsel for the petitioner, is not keeping well. Learned counsel appearing on behalf, praise for listing of matter after 3 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 3 weeks, huh?
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
I beg to, item number 4, kindly adjourn for the day. Since my senior is not feeling well, he's having some personal
On
difficulty.
the ground that Her senior, who is your senior?
KDV,
Huh?
KDV.
A. Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner, is
Can
indisposed.
it be listed after 1 week?
Roma. What I say? MS so and so, praise for adjournment of matter. For 2 weeks, huh? Praise the Lord, list after 2 weeks.
Lordship, with a consent from the other side, I beg to mention item number 24. Lordship, the government side, I filed an affidavit yesterday and I was served with a copy yesterday only. And we will file a reply. We need some time to file the reply.
On the prayer of Mr.
P. Khatonir.
P. Katania, learned counsel for the petitioner. This matter after 2 weeks, so as to enable him to file affidavit in reply.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg
Yes.
to mention item number 44, Lordship. We,
Hmm.
the present set of councils, would like to withdraw our wakalatnama from this particular case.
It cannot be. Have you sent a notice?
Yes, Lordship, we have sent,
Where is the notice?
Lordship, then we'll bring it into report then the notice, Lordship.
Listed for orders, we'll see. One adjournment.
No, Lordship, we want to withdraw the wakalatnama.
That cannot be allowed simply like that. Simply you just on your mentioning, this cannot be allowed. You have to issue notice to the petitioner, your for petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
Have you issued notice?
Lordship, we have issued notice to her, Lordship, stating, and she herself, she wanted us to withdraw the wakalatnama from this particular case, Lordship.
Not wakalat nama. You have to, there should be some communication. on
Yes,
your
Lordship.
notice.
Then, Lordship, we will bring it into record then, Lordship.
Mr. So and so, learned counsel submits that the present set of lawyers, present set of counsels appearing in this matter would like to withdraw from the would like to withdraw from the case on the consent of the petitioner. That's the how much. Next move. Therefore, it prays for allow them to withdraw their power. Next paragraph. However, it is noticed that no communication, either in respect of, either in the form of notice, consent is placed before this court. This does let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. No, there's no withdrawal can be permitted at this stage. As spread for let the matter be listed after 3 weeks, 2 weeks,
Lordship, 2 weeks, yes.
so that to take for taking necessary steps by the council for the petitions.
Lordship.
For necessary steps only, huh?
Lordship, I beg to mention item 2 and 3 of today's daily list, Lordship. Lordship,
2
both
and
are
3.
connected matters, Lordship. In item 3, we
Hmm.
were required to file a reply. We prepared it, Lordship, but then some further instructions were sought.
What
for-
remains here?
Lordship.
What is the matter?
It relates to selection and appointment in 2 different schools, Lordship, for the post of principal.
One, your appointment has been, though you are number 1,
Yes.
your name is in serial number 1, in respect on first writ petition,
Lordship,
there is no appointment, you have not been appointed.
Lordship.
Other one, you are
Like,
challenging
other
the
school-
appointment of others, because
Yeah,
you are in
both
serial number
secured
3.
equal marks.
Huh?
In the other one, both secured equal marks, Lordship. But then they filed their affidavit, Lordship. We need to file a reply to that, Lordship, stating that we allege some Lordship anomaly in the marking, Lordship. So
How
that,
do we how do you decide that?
Lordship, at least that reply may come, Lordship. We
Huh?
prepared it, Lordship, otherwise, but then it could not be filed.
Who is holding the post right now?
That person itself, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr.
MP Sharma, Lordship.
MP Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks,
1 week, Lordship.
3 weeks. 2 weeks. So as to enable him to file affidavit in reply.
That's fine. Obliged.
Lordship, sincere apology, Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, though on the last occasion, Lordship, I prayed for a week's time to file my affidavit, Lordship, that has gone for
What?
for vetting, Lordship, it has gone for vetting, Lordship, but it has to come from Kachar, Lordship. So may I pray this matter to be listed on Wednesday, Lordship? I'll file it by Wednesday, Lordship.
My lord, regarding the finalization of my pension, my lord. The petitioner retired on 31/5/2014, my lord. Last 6-7 years, no reply from the respondent side, my lord.
No, you want that your absent period has to be regularized.
Yes, my lord, exactly.
How?
My lord, I was on duty, my lord. I will satisfy your lordship, my lord. My humble servant is your lordship, my lord.
Yes, what is your state? You have the draft affidavit.
No, Lordship, but some instruction is there, Lordship, that they are taking steps, Lordship, for
To reg-
finalization, yes.
Finalization
Yes,
regular.
yes,
I
Lordship.
on that.
So, Lordship, on Wednesday, Lordship,
Kindly hear me
if it
2
comes,
minutes,
Lordship.
lordship.
It's okay.
Kindly 2 minutes, my lord.
They are prepared. They are finalizing your pension.
My lord,
The rest you
Well-
have received rest except for this period which they.
I have
which-
not received, my lord, not finalized, my lord, my lord.
Okay.
Last 6-7
Unless
years,
these periods are regularized.
Yes, Lordship.
that was also not informed to me, my lord. I have learned from their official inter-office correspondence, my lord.
But
Several recommendation, my lord, and WPC.
These two these periods which which you are seeking regularization.
My lord,
Where you were.
I was in Kaline, my lord, that is, my lord,
Anyway, Wednesday. Or Mr. So-and-so, learn counsel for the petition.
my lord, if they file, my lord, but the petitioner is fake and of his life, my lord.
Hmm?
Petitioner is in fake and of his life, my lord. I have to take instruction, my lord. What they are going to file, I don't know, my lord. I have to respond to that, my lord. So, my lord, he is not in a condition, my lord, to reply anything, my lord. He is a bedridden, my lord. Retired on 2014, my lord. Struggling, my lord, and not getting proper treatment due to the financial crisis also, my lord. Some time may be given if they file, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, on 18/9/25, my lord, considering the serious condition, honorable court decided to dispose
That's
of the
why
matter.
he's seeking for Wednesday only.
No, my lord, if they file, my lord, I have to respond to that,
See,
my lord.
if it is required, we'll allow the time.
Oh, lordship.
But if they are if they
My lord,
have-
I have to send this paper.
suppose they have decided to regularize this absent
You
or
will not
whatever.
decide, my lord. Last 7 years, no reply, my lord.
Let us see.
Not reply.
Let us see. We'll fix. Considering that nature of the grievance and the
Lordship,
issue, I
lordship,
mean, we'll fix.
The
it.
earlier occasion, my lord, 18/9/25, my lord.
I've seen it. That's why he's asking. He's saying.
Obliged, Lordship.
Aji ko piti bani.
So and so. On the prayer of Mr. The Upamani, learn counsel for the
Health Department.
learn standing council health department.
Kindly date may be fixed, my lord.
4 weeks time is granted. 4 days time is granted to file affidavit. To file affidavit. File obtain instruction and file affidavit. As sought for by. As sought for on 28/10/2025.
Obliged.
Wednesday. What is Wednesday? 19.
Obliged.
Time for reference number 7, 8, and 9.
Who are you?
Counter general.
Your role is yet to be.
Yet to be.
Yeah, just record it. So and so for.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, petitioner praying for compassionate appointment, lordship. His father died, lordship, in 2007, lordship. Lordship, petitioner prayer was not considered, lordship. Approached the Honorable High Court, lordship. Honorable High Court order, lordship, in relative lordship portion is 53, lordship. After.
Yes.
Lordship, after that, lordship, DLC, lordship, consider my prayer, lordship, and my Prayer for appointment lordship, considered lordship in and recommended lordship. Lordship, page number 60 lordship,
Pursuant to this, your name has been recommended.
recommended lordship.
Page,
Page lordship, 58 lordship and relevant portion lordship, 60 lordship. May I read lordship?
it is decided to recommend the case of the as per principle number 15 so and so, as well as order dated first November. Comment to the SLC for appointment and completion for the post. Then it's incomplete.
Lordship, after that lordship, SLC lordship,
Sir, your this page 60 is incomplete. Against DBC, obviously vacant post.
lordship, page 55 lordship. That also. Serial number 4 lordship. After that lordship, SLC has
I'm
lordship,
asking, this thing is incomplete.
lordship.
Page 60 is incomplete.
Sorry, lordship, some purpose is missing. After that lordship, SLC has rejected my prayer lordship in page number 66 lordship. Page number 66 lordship.
Then
Lordship, their version is lordship, the age of the applicant was below 18 years at the time of application. So the proposal does not fulfill the requisite criteria as per point number 16 of the OM lordship. That's lordship in
sir, where do you get that? Where it is?
page number 66 lordship.
SLC rejected.
Rejected lordship.
The age of the LC is below 18 years at the time of application, so the proposal does not fulfill the requisite criteria. as
Serial
per
number 7.
numbers. Wait, number what? It's not visible also.
Page number 66, serial number 7 lordship.
My page is 61. My page is 61, SLC, my notes.
SLC
Page kiman?
page 66.
Kot hole je?
Relevant is page.
Type copy 61.
66. No, page 66.
Page ভুল করে একদম কি করি? I cannot read it.
66 page.
Yes, type copy.
Where is the type copy?
61.
60 ka one page only.
One page only. Only 11% type. It is incomplete, madam. Others, what is the recommendation? What is the comment? It should be reflected. And anyhow, my lord, the petitioner at the time of death of his father, he was a minor. And Supreme Court says, well, Sanjay Singh case, my lord, compensatory appointment claim for mother's sport after attending majority, claim rejected at the time bar, cannot be reserved for vacancy till minor attend the majority. Ratio recently, compensatory appointment is intended to enable family member which is employed to tide over certain crisis. And now developer has come in 2023. His father died in 2007 and developer Tiwari case is squarely covered. Cannot be considered. But developer Tiwari says ratio recently is where a long lapse of time has occurred, lapse has deceased since death of his dad. The deceased employee, the sense of immediacy for the seeking compensatory appointment.
Okay, that is, I understood. Let us
Lordship,
understand the-
But on that ground also, but this has not, my
Lordship,
lord,
is-
merit.
In another case, Lordship, in Supreme Court, Lordship, that at the time is that consideration, date of consideration is the.
No, but that
Matter.
has been overcome. That is
That of-
Sontu Singh, I think, Sontu's case.
Election.
Sontu Singh case has been overcome, my lord. Because Devrapati Tiwari is the latest case, 2023.
Date of
It is says,
consideration is the.
and so many decision has taken, our High Court also rejected this application for compensation appointment. Taking into account the decisions, ratio decency of the Devrapati Tiwari.
What is this page 73? Why you have annexed this?
The other case,
Lordship, coordinate bench, Lordship, in similar case, Lordship, that has been recommended, Lordship.
every case has its own fraction, my lord.
Exactly similar case. Lordship.
This was rejected on the ground of late submission.
Lordship, after attaining majority, Lordship.
No, no, this is a case where this was interpreted with because rejection was on the ground of late submission.
Lordship.
Courts
Yes.
found that the date occurred on 27/2009
9
and the
submitted on
application filed in
2011.
2011. Your case is what?
Lordship. Lordship.
Your
is-
case is you have applied
Lordship.
when your father died.
Lordship, 2007, Lordship.
Then when did you apply?
Within one year, Lordship, 2008, Lordship, but that time I was minor, Lordship.
Ah,
That is why, Lordship, in SLC, Lordship, rejected my that at the time of filing my application.
when you
Lordship.
become major?
Lordship, in 2000, Lordship, just six months left, Lordship, to be major, Lordship.
Huh?
And just 6 months is at the time of application, Lordship.
So what is the grounds of rejection is provides where?
Lordship,
Criteria as per point number 3 of OM. What is point number 3?
Lordship, as per at the time of Lordship filing application.
Sir, what is this point number 3? The criteria point number 3
Lordship.
of the OM 10/6/2015.
He has to fulfill all the conditions. Those who are seeking
Lordship,
compensatory
at the-
appointment, he has to fulfill all the terms and
At
conditions.
the time of Lordship, in Supreme Court, Lordship, in some.
Sir, I'm asking what is the criteria of point number 3
Lordship,
provided at point number 3
Lordship.
of OM
Every eligible
10/6/2015.
dependent seeking appointment under this OM shall be make an application for appointment and compensation grant in the prescribed form with all enclosure with within 1 year from the date of
Where you are reading?
Lordship, OM, Lordship,
You have not annexed.
Not annexed.
not an exchange.
Then how do you get it?
Lordship, it is with me, Lordship.
And it's
I-
no
for
longer,
such-
it's
Not-
no longer there in existence, that OM. That has been done away also.
Lordship.
Not part of the records.
Lordship,
See, your rejection is on certain point or the criteria
Lordship.
of the OM and you have not annexed that. How you challenge that? So what is your submission? You are not challenging that.
Lordship.
Let's see. Sir, I think it's too late in a day to consider all this. It's no longer,
That's not an appointment.
no
it is
longer
a-
there.
Yeah, it is a scheme, my lord. It is not a
But-
mode of a
Eligible
regular
dependent-
appointment. It
See,
is a scheme.
every eligible dependent seeking appointment under this OM shall make an application for appointment on company in the prescribed form with all enclosures within 1 year from the date of death or acceptance of retirement of the employee with consent letter of the retired employee. In the case of missing government, every eligible, who are eligible, dependent, is there any definition of the dependent?
Terms and condition is there should not be any government servant. He must be a dependent, and economic factor is also there, my lord, to survive the family. The immediacy is required as per Developer Tiwari. If immediacy, somehow they have.
Sir, I have understood it's all settled law. Don't
Yes, my lord.
just try to find out what is the facts, how he has been rejected. What do you mean by eligible dependent? In by eligible dependent? Mr. Chutia,
Eligible dependent means what? He has to complete the 18 years of, more than 18 years, and he has to qualify for the post against which is applied, and there should not be any government employee in the family. And there must be dependent on the salary of the deceased person. That is the criteria. And he has to be qualified, he has to be maintained by the age also. And economic factor is also there.
let us
If they are sound family, my lord, they are not qualified to be appointed. as
let us
compensation.
see how what is there any provision provides for the age with regard to age?
0.5 lordship, maybe, my lord, don't have this. 0.5 and 0.10 lordship can see also. Principle 10. They say. Circle 11.9. The time of death of his father, mother, he is not eligible. So eligible candidate must be eligible.
What do you mean eligible?
Eligible means, mother, he must attain the age of majority. He must have passed the required qualification.
Where it is provided?
Yes.
Where it is provided?
It is circular is there, my lord. He is complete all the, my lord.
See, when you considered him, district level committee has considered him, that time he was already major.
That is time, my lord, at the time of, my lord, death, he has to be measured. Because Santosh Kumar Singh says, my lord, no vacancies can be wait for a person to till attain the majority.
You have, it is not that far, 66 months thereafter. When he applied, admittedly he was minor. Thereafter, within 6 months, he became major. After 6 months, and you have considered his case,
DLC
forced
considered.
him to approach this court, then only you have considered DLC, right?
Right.
And on the intervention of this court only you have considered, otherwise you would not have.
Because he did not fulfill the criteria.
You didn't say that.
The wooden
DLC did
papers,
not say that.
that cannot be wait.
DLC was not taken up, has not taken up the matter.
That's why, my lord, that's why DLC did not take up the matter. Has to be
The
fulfilled.
problem is, how do you grant a relief now?
Lordship, after
There is no scheme now.
Lordship, after
Scheme has been done away. But
Lordship,
your appointment will be made today only.
Lordship,
How do we suppose, assuming that you are entitled to be appointed?
Lordship. That
is why, Right.
Lordship, earlier Lordship.
So the appointment has to be made today only.
Lordship,
When there is no scheme as on today, which has been done away,
Lordship.
what can we do now?
But
We
petitioner.
can we direct them to appoint
Lordship,
contrary to the scheme or
it is still going on, Lordship.
no, it's not going
Not
on.
going on.
Lordship,
Now 18/9/2024 scheme has come.
Hmm.
Which one, latest office memorandum. This memorandum says if it lapses for 2 years, no vacancies there, no considered, it should not be considered. He has not
Have
signed
you
this.
filed affidavit?
Yes, he has not signed this notification also.
Have you filed the affidavit?
We have not filed affidavit, my doctor. Our, I mean.
See, for example, there's a it has bearing. Suppose if we accept his submission.
We'll have to controver it.
For example, if you say you could not have rejected on this ground, right? In that case, we have to grant a relief for appointment.
Yes, in fact, my lord.
In that case, what would be on what basis he will be appointed?
Yes, sir.
The scheme is vogue. Is the scheme still in vogue? Sir, is the scheme still in vogue?
This scheme is not in vogue, my lord. That has been superseded by the 18/9/2024 scheme.
Anyway, but then you have rejected him on this, under this scheme only.
This earlier case, my lord, he was an old case, my lord. In 2007 died, my lord, till 25.
This is this is which
2007 Lordship.
date of decision? Where is the date of decision? 2022.
Lordship petitioner, after demise of his father Lordship, petitioner appointed on and giving him contributory Lordship amount Lordship in page number 23 Lordship.
What does it has got anything to?
3,000
got
rupees.
to
has-
do it?
3,000 rupees has been paid Lordship. Still he is service Lordship in
Who?
that department Lordship.
Who?
Petitioner Lordship. In rupees 3,000 Lordship. He is in service Lordship.
You have been granted a compulsory appointment.
That
No
is-
Lordship, but some 3,000 rupees as contributory Lordship allowance Lordship from employee
That is something different.
Lordship.
That is not countable, my lord. How they are
But you have taken the decision in 2022.
22. Even Ashur Ranjan Das, my lord, if I say, Ashur Ranjan side, my lord, point 10.
It's very difficult. You
That-
filed the affidavit.
We will file affidavit, my lord. Today, actually, I missed the file also, but I am in the second file of your
Why
lord.
did you say earlier in that case? Unnecessary, we are wasting time. You also bring this notification
Lordship.
on record.
Lordship.
Just keep it back. Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Further 3 weeks' time is granted to the parties to file their respective affidavits. Hmm. You come up with clear cut this thing, straight.
Yes, my lord. I understand.
Forget it now, for a time being, forget about the Supreme Court judgment.
Yes,
We'll definitely consider it. But is a fact situation is different out here. You have rejected him on the basis of 2015 in 2022, which is no longer no longer there. You have a different new scheme. What is the new scheme provides?
New scheme provides, my lord, it says, if it is, my lord, lapse about 2 years or several years, my lord,
The
then
issue
it gets-
is not lapse, simply you didn't consider it. And
That-
get
that-
it
that
lapse.
scheme is made
The
on
fault
the-
will lie on, that will be attributable to you only,
Yes,
not
it-
the petitioner.
89/2024,
Ah,
office memorandum is based on the Debapat Tiwari case.
2000?
18/9/2024, this latest office memorandum is based on Debapat Tiwari case.
But then problem is,
The Supreme Court says accordingly they have made the notification.
no, it's okay, but then suppose they have applied on time,
On time.
you just kept it pending.
Debapat say
You get it lapse,
lapse.
then,
The fault of the officer or maybe
and
fault of
another problem is there's a direction one after another by this court for consideration.
consideration.
So
That-
what can we do?
That is the why
Is
Debapat
If there's a order of the court, you have to
I
consider.
will place the whole matter, my lord, the Debapat Tiwari case in next time, my lord. Debapat
It's not a one case. There's many
Yes,
cases.
many cases, my lord. Not-
We'll have to finish it
Right,
off.
right, my lord, right, my lord.
I mean, this way, that way.
Obliged, my lord, 2 weeks, my lord.
There must be some, I mean,
Yes, my lord.
conclusion. Settle, some settlement, settle the issue. Unnecessary, they've been forced to come to the
Well,
court.
in this case, my lord, a batch of representation were disposed of. If I remember correctly, 342/2003 or
20.
4 case. This case was, my lord, consented by the Advocate General, says, coming into the office memorandum 18/9/2024, say, those who have applied before 3/4/2025, their case should be considered, sent to the SLC.
Yes, we have passed order also
That order is
on
there.
the basis. But
Yes.
then I find it little,
Now,
now the
I-
issues are very little clumsy because of fact situation.
yes, I will bring
And
it.
if possible, you club all
Yes, yes.
these cases,
Should be, yes,
professional appointment,
yes, 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 correct.
so that we can look into and settle the issue
Yes,
once and for all.
correct, my lord.
Because they are seeking a compulsory appointment and necessary kind of, they have been allowed, I mean, in the court.
Everybody is expect, my lord, the job, but job is the compensation appointment is not the mode of the regular appointment. It is only schemes.
Sir, that is something different. Keep it aside for a time being.
That's why, my lord.
You have created a situation. I'm not blaming the government alone. You have created a situation where it's very difficult to, settle the issue. Neither here nor there. As because you said it's no longer there, but rejection is based on that memorandum which is no longer there. How can you rely that when you say that it's no longer there? These are the things.
That is the fault of the department.
Hmm.
Item 7.
Maybe lost, my lord.
Yes.
This matter, my lord, regarding putting the appointment of the additional public prosecutor, my lord. Here the case, my lord, the LR department, my lord, issue a notification to the all district concerned to appointed the additional public prosecutor, and the other. Accordingly, on the basis of said notification, my lord, the deputy commissioner, the district magistrate, Dhubri, issue an walking interview, my lord, and petitioner along with others appear before this, my lord, walk interview, my lord, and a panel was prepared, my lord.
What about this other method which isn't been disposed of?
My lord, that case, my lord, the petitioner was expired, so that is what infractions, my lord.
Saying what?
Same ground, my lord. So on that down,
There was no decided on merit.
not married, my lord.
See, let us see other case. It's listed along with this.
My lord,
Sir Boro.
just close, my lord. D2 expired, my lord. Close, my lord.
এইটো আগৰ নহয় জানো? তোৰ এপিডি বিলাক ন?
আচ্ছা, আপিল মই ছয় কৰিছোঁ চবৰে ভাল কৰিছোঁ
কথাটো হৈছে এইবোৰ আগৰ এপিডি নহয় জানো?
চলি আছে, এইটো কৰি আছে।
কৰি আছে তো সি নাই পোৱা নাই মানে।
সি এইটো কাম কৰি আছে তো।
কাম কৰি আছে নি?
কাম কৰি আছে।
কি লাগে তাক?
ক'ব নোৱাৰো কি কেছ কৰিছে,
ৱৰ্কিং
কাম কৰি আছে তো।
মানুহ he's working.
It's appointment of
Additional public prosecutor, my lord.
panel or it's a regular appointment?
It's panel, my lord.
Well, regular appointment now selection has been done, going to be appointed regularly as a job, as a job.
Then there is a provision for.
Yes, the government has
Panel.
taken a decision and selection has been made. Select is published and the government is going to appoint.
Because it was, this better relates
Yeah,
to
earlier,
panel advocates.
Earlier.
Yes, panel
advocate.
Panel.
Surprise.
Separate.
Separate, my lord. The advertisement part, that is another part.
No, this appointment of panel advocate is still in there.
Yes, my lord.
The
Yes, yes,
provision is still there.
Yes, my lord.
How?
And he is serving, my lord. He is
Huh?
also working, my lord, as a public prosecutor, my lord. Private
No,
respondent.
what he's saying is
My lord,
appointment
yes.
of public prosecutor.
Yes, my lord.
Government has created
My lord,
a-
earlier occasion, my lord, 10/9/2025, government took time for filing their affidavit, but still not they filing the affidavit. But their process is not, before this process, my lord, this process was started. my lord.
Suppose today,
Yes,
if
my
we allow your writ petition, when there is no provision for appointment on panel,
Yes, my lord.
panel additional advocates or public prosecutor, what's the use?
my lord, still there is no appointment, my lord.
That is going to be appointed recently.
Going to be appointment, but not appointed, my lord. Going to be appointment.
But what is the advantage to being to be a panel public prosecutor?
My lord, kindly see.
Panel is for the 5 years, madam, for appointed. And after 5 years, they may be or may not be appointed, reappointed, like us, madam. We are a government advocate for 5 years. After
The police, this requirement is still invoked,
in our high court, madam,
not the high court here.
yes, district
in-
recommendation is necessary.
in both.
District judge, madam, they will recommend it panel, and
So the
on the basis of that
district-
panel, madam, they will appoint.
What is your ground is that you are, the district judge has not consulted, there is no
Yes, my lord, yes,
consultation with
yes, yes,
district
my
judge.
lord, yes, that was not concerned, my lord. Only the district magistrate.
So the appointment to paisa na to me.
Pune.
Appointment to
Oh, one I don't.
My lord, now the petitioner is engaged as deputy legal aid defense counsel at Dhuburi under the district legal service authority.
Then he is working.
Working, my lord.
No, that
It
is
is-
another.
Whatever may be.
In the affidavit opposition filed by the respondent 6,
Huh? Where it is?
affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent 6.
There are,
My lord, the reputation is not maintained as per law, my lord. This is the Annex 3, the signature of these are manufactured, my lord. Annex 3, the signature of the writ petition is original signature, but the signature of the Annex 3 are manufactured, my lord. No similarity, my lord. It is mentioned in my affidavit of opposition. My lord, I filed affidavit of opposition on the respondent 6, and today I also filed on of the 5, 7, and 8. My lord, today also I want to file the same affidavit in opposition, filed by the respondent 5 and 7. I want to submit, I beg submit this affidavit of opposition filed by the respondent 5, 7, and 8. Yesterday I reached.
But
not
not
Mr.
H. Ali, my lord. Copy is not sharp, my lord.
Huh?
Copy not sharp. Yes,
H. Ali,
yes, my lord.
learned, A. Ali,
Yeah, H. Ali, my lord.
H. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner. List of.
May I
Mr.
submit, my lord? This affidavit of opposition?
It is not submitted like that, you have to file.
All
Mr. T.C. Chuti, learned state counsel for state respondents and Mr. So-and-so
Oh.
are granted 4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
All is well.
Hello.
Same lordship, compassion and opinion. Lordship.
The affidavit. What your father,
Lordship, police constable lordship, DLC recommended lordship in page number 40 lordship, but SLC lordship rejected that it was the page number 46 lordship and could not be recommended as per OMD submission of late submission lordship. But
40?
46 lordship,
Ah,
46 lordship, page
Serial number?
serial number 6 lordship,
hmm.
6 Bhaskar Gogoi lordship. The
Bhaskar Gogoi.
lordship
44.
could not be recommended as per OM due to late submission of the application lordship.
Yes.
When did you submit?
Lordship, at the time of lordship, demise of my father lordship, I was minor lordship. After attaining majority, I applied lordship.
When?
Lordship in
Your father died when?
He was only 9 years at the time of death.
lordship.
The Santosh Kumar Singh says, my lord, he cannot be the father.
So dismissed.
2005.
Father died in 2005.
2005.
Lordship.
When did you apply?
Lordship, I applied lordship after attaining majority lordship in 8/7/2022 lordship.
22.
Then, my lord.
Dismissed. What is the judgment?
Yes,
Where is that judgment?
the Jabalpur Bari.
No, not Devagotti.
No, Lordship, there, it is, Lordship, DLC, Lordship. Lordship, I applied for earlier, Lordship. Sorry, Lordship.
Santosh Kumar Singh, my lord, can I give it? 2000, my lord, G, 2000. It is easier. My hand.
Lordship, in page number 21, Lordship. I applied, Lordship.
The cash flow is there, my lord, 2007.
Uh,
2000, volume
Also
7.
know this.
30th, 11th.
My lord.
Huh?
Copy is not my list, my lord.
Get that. Get the copy, get this citation.
Citation is there. my lord.
Lordship, page number 21, Lordship. I applied, Lordship, and 30th, 11th, 2015, Lordship.
Do number. Do number.
Where is the application? Where is the application?
Lordship, 21, Lordship, page number 21.
2015.
Lordship.
Very difficult. After 10 years.
At that time of demise, Lordship, I was 9 years, Lordship.
Cannot do this. No other dependent family member.
Lordship, my mother, ailing mother, Lordship.
Very difficult.
Lordship.
For disposing.
Yes, sir.
No case.
Lordship, earlier also I approached the Honorable Court, Lordship, Honorable Court.
It's okay. The direction of that only is DLC has recommended.
Lord.
Now SLC has rejected it.
Rejected.
Okay. What, Mr.
A. Sharma, Lordship.
A. Sharma.
Lordship.
Dismissing, huh?
Lord.
Yes, my lord.
Petitioner. State Council for all the respondents. Next paragraph. By filing this petition, the petitioner has put to challenge. Which one? Where is that? Rejection.
Lordship. Lordship, page number 45, Lordship.
Put to challenge the rejection of his grievance for compassionate appointment by the state level committee by minutes of meeting dated 15 02/03/2023.
I apologize,
Next paragraph.
Lordship.
Hmm.
May I, Lordship, submit this coordinate bench judgment, Lordship, similar, exactly similar, ma'am.
No, this was a case
Lord.
when you submitted the application
Right.
within one month, within 1 year. But then you were minor. That is related to earlier case.
Lordship.
This is a case, your father died, you have applied on, although you are saying that on attaining the majority,
Lordship.
you have there's a delay, right?
Lordship.
Next para. It is the case of the petitioner is that his father, what is the name of your father?
Lordship.
Tarun Gogoi, huh? Late Tarun Gogoi.
Sorry.
Had died in harness on 9/07/2005 while working in the office of the commandant, 5th AP Battalion, Sontila, Dima Hasao district as Lance Naik. List of. At the time of the death of the petitioner's father, the petitioner was only 9 years of age. List of. The petitioner, on attaining the age of majority, applied for appointment on compassionate ground on 13/11/2015. List of. The district level committee. No. Next para. When the grievance of the petitioner for appointment on compassionate ground was not considered by the district level committee, the petitioner approached this court, being WPC 3609 of 2020. List of. The DLC, instead of considering for recommendation, has referred the matter to the state level committee for its decision. List of this court. This part of the said writ petition remanding the matter back to the DLC, the district level committee. List of. Accordingly, the district level committee,
Lordship.
what is the recommendation?
Lordship, page number 40, Lordship. And date, Lordship, 8/7/2022, Lordship. Lordship, sorry for interruption, Lordship. Another citation, sorry.
Just wait it,
Sorry.
where it is?
Lordship, in page number 40, Lordship,
It was considered and recommended.
recommended.
What is the date of recommendation?
Lordship, 8/7/2020.
Huh?
8/7 to the DLC, Lordship, 8/7/2022, Lordship. In page number 38, Lordship. DLC held on 8/7/2022, Lordship.
By minutes of the meeting dated 8/7/2022. Where it is? Where is your name?
Lordship, in page number 40, Lordship,
Huh?
Lordship, Bhaskar Gogoi, Lordship, in column, Lordship, A,
Oh,
Date of submission application by not 18/12/2015. Third
how
clause.
do we know that this is recommended?
Lordship, in column, Lordship,
Hmm.
I, Lordship,
Huh.
column I, Lordship, recommend.
Okay. What is it? Recommend the name of the petitioner to the state level committee. The state level committee, right? The state level committee. Where's that rejection?
Rejection, Lordship, in page number 46, Lordship,
46.
Lordship, and
But it's minute dated so and so, huh? Oh,
2nd March 2023.
Second, 02/03/2023. Rejected the case of the petitioner on the ground of late submission of application. Challenging the said rejection. Next para, huh? Mr.
Yes, sir, my lord.
A. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that when the father of the petitioner died, the petitioner was minor. Therefore, as soon as minor, Mr. When the petitioner became major in the year 2015, the petitioner submitted his application as the the family, as the petitioner and his family was suffering from acute financial problems. To the, on the death of his father. He submits that the ground of rejection, the ground of rejection that the petitioner has submitted the ground of late submission of the ground of rejection of late submission of application is unreasonable in as much as the petitioner could not have applied for compulsory appointment as a minor, and the the petitioner having attained majority applied for submitted the application as the family members were under destitute. No? Therefore, he submits that the rejection by the state level committee is not sustainable. And the direction may be issued to the respondent authorities to consider the petitioner for appointment on compassionate ground. While placing reliance of the order of this court in the case of Saleh Ahmed Majumdar, passed in WPC 229 of 2020, Mr. Sharma, Learned Council, Mr. The norms prevailing on the date of consideration of the application would be relevant, as the application as the application, as the petitioner has submitted his application in the year 2015. However, the consideration was made in the year 2022. 2022. Next page. Then, what is that? What does it say?
Lordship, the same lordship, after attaining minority, majority lordship, he applied lordship. This one.
He has also placed reliance on another order of this court in the case of Rajesh Nath, passed in WPC 329 of 2020. Whereby this court to no, not whereby, to submit that at the time of the death of his father, the father of the petitioner, he was minor, but immediately upon attaining majority, Mr. T.C. Chutia, on the other end, the Learned District Council, on the other hand, submits them. The father of the petitioner had died in the year 2005.
That's
And the application, the petitioner has submitted his application only in 2015, after the lapse of
10 years.
10 years, after the lapse of nearly 10 years. Where is that judgment? Is the purpose of appointment on compassionate ground is to mitigate the immediate financial hardship of the deceased family. Mr. Therefore, application submitted the submission of submission of application of the petitioner is hopelessly delayed. And such nature of application cannot be. An application for such nature cannot be considered favorably after the lapse of
Several years.
nearly 10 years since the demise of the government employee. Next paragraph. Consider the submissions of learned counsel for the parties. Next paragraph. The father of the petitioner had died on so and so, same date, while serving as so and so, so and so. Admittedly, the petitioner while submitted his application for completion appointment on so and so 2015, after a lapse of nearly 10 years, list of the petitioner submitted the application. Petitioner appears to have submitted his application on attaining the age of majority in the year 2015. Although a minor could not apply for completion appointment at that time, there is equally no provision or condition in the relevant scheme for completion appointment permitting a minor to submit application for appointment on completion ground upon attaining majority. That too, after several years, after the several years of the death of the government employee. Mr. It is needless to observe that appointment on compulsory ground is to mitigate the immediate financial hardship of the deceased family. And the application for such nature cannot be considered favorably after the lapse of several years, the demise of the government employee. Not comma, as the same would defeat the very purpose of the very purpose of scheme of completion appointment. In the case of In the case of State of Manipur versus Mohammed Razauddin, reported in 2003, volume 7, SEC 511, 511. The Honorable Supreme Court has dealt with the issue. Mr. The observation made by the Honorable Supreme Court is reproduced here in below, para 11. Okay. I'll do this, but you find out from the answer. Next para. There's no dispute about the fact that government, about the fact that the scheme of the policy of the scheme for compassionate appointment of the government what I said. Permit a minor to submit application belatedly seeking appointment on compassionate ground upon attaining majority. Mr. It provides that the relevant, it provides that at the relevant point of time, it provides that such application should be, it provides that such application should be filed in a time-bound manner by an eligible dependent family member. And considered as expeditiously as possible. Mr. As noted above, it is undisputed that the petitioner was minor at the time of the death of his father, and he has filed the application for compassionate appointment in the year 2015, after the lapse of nearly 5 years, on attaining the age of majority. Since there's no provisions in under the scheme, public policy of the government to seek appointment on compassionate ground upon attaining the age of majority, that could, after the lapse of several years, come on. Above, they considered be that no relief can be granted to the petitioner. This is thus rejection of the grievance of the petitioner for compassionate appointment on the ground of submission of, on the ground of less submission of the application by the petitioner cannot be found fault. Next paragraph. The case law, okay, the orders relied on by the learned counsel, Mr. Sharma, to support that to project that an application can be filed for compulsory appointment after attending the age of majority. Appears to be misconceived as in that he has referred to above. Just give the name of those cases. Pertains to different facts. Which is not similar to the present case. That's all. In view of the above. In view of the discussion made earlier, I am of the considered with no ground is no relief can be granted to the petitioner as the that can be petitioner. Accordingly, the petition states dismissed.
Obliged.
You add paragraph in between, my that's binding. The other aspect which cannot be ignored is that the policy, the skill, public policy, which the petitioner has relied on, i.e., 2015. Circular 2000, what is the date of circular? Sir, i.e., government circular
Lordship, 1st June 2015, Lordship.
010/2015 is has been done over, and has been done over by the government. In other words, same is no longer in operation. And in its place, a new circular stated to have been issued for consideration, for appointment of compassionate ground. He has relied on the PCCTR, has relied the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of Sanjay Kumar versus State of Bihar and others, reported in 2007 SCC 192. To project that compulsory appointment is intended to enable the family of the deceased employee who died over sudden crisis resulting due to death of the breadwinner who had left the family in penury and without any means of livelihood. Disposed of, petition disposed.
Bless.
Yes.
It be your lordship. My lord, the petitioners before your lordship, my lord, 13 in number. They are daily wage workers. Working as my lord peon, cleaner and record suppliers in the Assam Secretariat since my lord 2008. And they are claiming regularization in this petition. My lord. In fact, my lord, that these petitioners earlier approached this honorable court and in two separate writ petitions, and there are, my lord, orders in those cases for consideration and passing order, necessary order. Those orders have not been passed, and that's why, my lord, they had to approach your lordship again.
No orders has been passed.
No order has been passed. If your lordship kindly.
What is the order?
Your lordship, one order your lordship will get at page 55.
60.
55. 55. Short order, my lord. All the petitioners were appointed as daily wage workers under the Assam Secretariat Administrative Department, and since their initial engagement, they had been working continuously till date.
Yes, are you ready?
My lord, we have filed an affidavit. SAD is a main party, my lord.
Who is SAD?
SAD, my lord, Fukon, A. Fukon. Their name is not shown, I think, my lord, in the court list.
SAD means said.
Secretary
Is Secretary Administration.
Is a said man or what?
Secretary Administration Department, they are working in the Secretary Administration Department.
They filed the affidavit, my lord. Respondent number 3 has filed affidavit.
File.
What is their stand?
In the affidavit, my lord, they say they do not deny that we have been working, my lord. They do not deny anything except that, my lord. They say that there is a circular because of which their cases have not been considered. That is the only stand. If your lordship kindly comes to their affidavit, filed on 24/5/2024. They, my lord, do not deny that, my lord, the petitioners are working on daily wage basis for more than 10 years. And the only ground for non-regularization is the OM of the Finance Department at page 82. But this is contradictory to their stand in the, my lord, reply to the legal notice where they say that.
What is the judgment and order of that
My lord,
8/6/2017?
My lord, that order has been passed by the Honorable Division Bench in, my lord, State of Assam versus Upendas. If I may, my lord, produce a copy of that order.
So direction was to
Direction
consider
on
your
that.
case.
Each and every case, my lord, they have to pass individual, my lord, orders.
So what they are saying now by affidavit?
By affidavit, they said because of that particular notification at page 82, our cases have not been considered. But earlier, my lord, they say that it is being considered. That is also
Page 82.
page 82.
Office memorandum, 2012.
2012 memorandum, the relevant clauses, my lord, clause second, my lord, from bottom, my lord, second paragraph A. No more regularization of services of workers, master roll, or similarly placed workers can be undertaken by the state government, even if such workers were engaged prior to 1/4/1993 and rendered continuous service without break. This they are relying, my lord, in their affidavit, and other averments have not been, my lord, denied. Now, my lord,
appearing for the GAD, my lord, our names have not been SAD, my lord, and our names have not been reflected, my lord, unfortunately, my lord. Our names have not been reflected, my lord, in the cause list, my lord. So, lordship, so I've just been informed actually this matter is taken up. So we have missed the case actually. My lord, can correct the, my lord, we'll take it up in the next week, my lord. In the meantime, we'll
But ultimately, you want a regularization.
Yes, my.
How? Why?
In fact, my lord, in the earlier similarly situated, my lord, petitioners also approached this honorable court and pursuant to the direction of this honorable court, my lord, they have not been regularized as such, but my lord, fixed pay has been given. These
Fixed pay
persons, my
Fixed
lord,
pay, matlab minimum pay scale,
minimum pay scale, now they are
based
getting,
on Jagdish Singh.
yes,
Jagdish Singh.
existing.
You are not getting.
My lord, they are getting.
How much you are getting?
80 rupees per month when the, my lord,
80 rupees.
my lord, when this petition was filed.
This of which year?
This is, 2024, my lord.
80 rupees
My lord.
per month. Why
No,
you
daily
should
wage.
work?
No, no, daily wage.
Daily wage, daily.
Daily
I thought 80 rupees
daily.
Per month.
per month. So,
Lordship will have it on next week, Tuesday, my lord. In the meantime, I'll get my,
so you are not asking, in fact, insisting on regularization.
In fact, my lord, if your lordship goes to the decision of the, my lord, the Honorable Supreme Court, that in my lord Umar Devi's case and subsequent, my lord,
Jago,
yes, my lord, Jago,
Jago's case.
then my lord, we reserve regularization. That I will be praying
my lord,
for.
SC, GAD.
How many petitioners?
13, my lord, 1-3.
Open the floodgate. It will a huge burden to the state.
There will not be any, because
Without
my lord,
any output.
earlier, my lord, the earlier.
We feel that, sir, you know, I mean, burden to the government. We feel that the government is somewhere
My lord,
else.
that is not the
sitting
stand,
there.
that is not the stand of
feel,
the authorities, my lord.
Burden of the government means burden to us, ourselves also.
No, my lord, this is not the stand they have taken, my lord. They
No, it's
say,
not that, I'm just saying what.
true, my lord, your lordship is right.
Generally, I'm saying, not on different case.
Your lordship is right, but at the same time, my lord, these persons having served for 17 years, my lord, they need some, my lord, succor. And this, the authorities said, my lord, there are 130.
Sir, for the sake of opposing the writ petition will not do. I think there must be some other case in view of the latest development of the law. You need to take some policy. Of course, Upen Das is there, but then needs relook of the entire matter by the government. Because law is developing. Jago's case is very clear.
Yes, sir.
In view of the development of the law or the evolution of the, you'll have to, we have to march ahead.
We'll address on the next occasion, man.
I think Advocate
Maybe
General, Learned Advocate General's assistant would be required.
Not, the additional AG will appear, man.
I think there must be some other methods also, regularization and all
My
this.
lord, my lord. That's why the additional AG will appear. I'll inform you. Lordship will have in the next week any hearing day, my lord. Accordingly, Lordship, our name may be affected, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Well, after 3 weeks, 2 weeks will be,
2 weeks.
think over it. Minimum scale you have to pay. What is the minimum wages here? In Assam?
Now I think it is 130 something, my lord, per day,
No, not per day, per month.
per month, my lord.
It different in the different, the tea bagan also, my lord, tea
They
state,
fourth grade,
Different.
minimum scale.
minimum, per day wages, my lord.
No, not wages,
Regular scale.
per month.
Per month regulation 14,000 starting, I think the 40,000, junior assistant, and LJ like that, my lord. 14,000 and onwards.
It's a rich stage.
In my lord, Upen Das case, my lord says, my lord, those who are working, he said this up to even, so they will be, my lord, given a, my lord,
I may not have the jurisdiction to rule, relook into those things, Upendas and all these things. But in
minimum,
view of the
Upen Das in a minimum scale.
development of the law and the observation and the by the Honorable Supreme Court, I think In my view, it has to be.
Jogu case also,
Look,
my lord, is seen, my lord, they say if there is no, my lord, their authority is not taking any steps for advertisement to absorb them, then, my lord, they says, my lord, for a long time. Regulation.
Kindly read all.
I will go through it, my lord. Only at a glance, my lord, I have to.
Of course, nobody doesn't have any time to go through entire judgment, right? Not only the lawyers, it's include us also.
Let it be fixed then, my lord, in the hearing day.
This is something you need to, I think.
Yes, yes.
It's my view, personal view.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Otherwise, we'll go by what is on the facts of the, I mean, on the basis of the case to case will decide. And Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, let me see the counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr.
A. Fukan, my lord,
A.
for
Fukan,
respondents 2, 3 and
Standing
4.
Council.
I am for one.
Standing Council?
GAD.
GAD. GAD.
Yes, I did.
This matter after 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
While your lordship may kindly give a fixed rate, my lord.
It's okay, it's a regulation. You are working, still working.
But still,
You have not been
wait.
posted or terminated. You just take note of my personal view. I would not record it.
I know.
Just want to put it on record. But then it's basically interest of the people at large. We'll say that the registry to reflect the name of the standing council.
SCGAD.
SC? GAD.
Standing council.
SCGAD, yes.
oblige, my lord.
Clear that.
But in this matter, I have received an instruction though,
Hmm.
not conclusive, my lord. So I have spoken to the director yesterday. So he said that in a day or two, they will send me updated instructions, my lord.
What is the matter?
Regarding, my lord, area
Pensionary
family
benefits.
pension.
Pensionary benefits.
Pensionary benefits.
And Mr. K.R. Patigiri, Land Council President, on the prayer of Mr. Adhar,
R, my lord.
sorry, Ardhar Land Council President. Land Standing Council, Sericulture,
My lord, standing council, my lord,
the Standing Council,
sericulture.
Agriculture Department. Further, 2 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction. Last time also you have sought for a
My
time.
lord.
My lord, I have received, but it's not conclusive, my lord. That's why, my lord, I'm saying.
Hmm.
Same for item 16 also, my lord. Same issue, my lord. Item 16
16 also,
also, my lord.
yes. Oblige.
Maybe your lordship.
Yes.
Matter pertains to my lord petitioners, my lord, before your lordship participated in that selection process of Constable GD in Central Armed Police Forces. They got the cutoff mark, my lord. They completed all segments, my lord, but their result has been kept withheld due to mismatch of biometric data, my lord. They filed affidavit that saying that their data has been sent to my lord concerned FSL for verification, my lord. In this case, similar circumstances, honorable court pass an order, my lord, directing the authority to complete the verification within 90 days, my lord. This matter can also be disposed of in similar line, my lord.
Let's see.
Lordship, in respect of total, 18 petitioners, we have get the result for only one petitioner and he was qualified. His, it match his, for others, Lordship, it is pending before other FSL, etc.
Yes, my lord.
In this case, most of the results are already out. So, Lordship, for some people, but here it's already sent but not received the result. What is, whether it is
That's fine.
match or not match.
90 days time was given, my lord. Para 5, my lord. Similar recruitment, my lord.
Similar recruitment.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah.
Similar, my lord, this is for 2024, my lord, that
Hmm?
was 22. This is 24, my lord, that is 20.
That is 22, this is 24.
But same authority, my lord.
No, same authority may be maybe the same authority, but
Yes.
different recruitment.
Recruitment
Recruitment is
selection
different,
process
similar,
is
my lord.
different.
I have said similar, my lord.
So what is your stand?
Lordship, we will definitely allow them to join, or we'll consider their cases once the results were out. Only one case we have received result, and that we have sent for staff selection commission for his appointment. For others, it is still process is going on, Lords. With my latest instruction of 16th October, that in somewhere in New Delhi, some in other cases in FSL or in NCRB, CPAB, these are forwarded and it is pending. They are continuing because it's not only this case. There are many similar cases, so many other persons are also in that. So it is taking some time. It is once the results were declared that if it is matched, they will definitely be get their appointment.
So what do you suggest?
So I'm praying for some more time, at least 4 weeks. Because in that case, most of the results were out, but in our case, it is still pending. Process is going on.
A 3-month time is given, my lord. 90 days, my lord.
Hmm?
90 days time was that is why given, my lord, in this
Hmm.
case. 3 months is enough time, my lord, to complete the verification. My lord, if you want seeking 3 weeks, my lord, they are given 90 days, my lord, 3 months.
I'm saying after 4 weeks, we may be in a better position to say what is the
Better wait for
process.
some time.
Date may be fixed then. Otherwise, my lord.
Can you pass similar order?
Yes, my lord.
You suggest, because you are not passing any
Lordship,
directive
thing
only
is that
for.
in that case, Lordship, I have checked it, but in those cases, most of the results were declared. So only the appointment parts were
Here, how
there.
many petitioners?
Yeah, 18 petitioner, only one is
One is it's clear.
cleared.
Is
Yes, his name sent in a
Qualified.
staff selection commission for consideration of for appointment.
is qualified.
He is qualified.
One, petition number
Petitioner number 17.
17.
Yes,
Rest under process.
it's under process.
Process means what? What process?
Lordship may kindly take up.
Verification.
It is cases have been submitted to NCRB, CPAB New Delhi for verification of thumb impression. So laboratory.
It's better wait for some time. We'll see after 4 weeks.
Date may be fixed.
Why?
Otherwise, my lord, it will go for another, my lord. Long time, my lord. In my kindly see, my result was declared on my lord. 13/12/24, my lord.
He's saying you will be appointed.
Yes, appointment will be made, my lord. but-
One of you have been, the recommendation.
Yeah, recommended.
Petition number 17 has already been recommended.
Yes, ma'am. So I pay for a date, my lord, after 4 weeks, my lord.
Not Mr. So-and-so land council for the petition. Or we'll dispose of 3 months. He doesn't want to wait for.
My lord. My lord, that is better, my lord.
Ahmed, you are Ahmed.
Yes, my lord.
Not Mr. A. Ahmed.
Yes,
Or
sir.
HR Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this writ petition.
What is my latest instruction?
19 petitioners.
18 petitioners.
Okay, cases have been submitted to CPL for verification. Case has been forwarded to SS to declare his as qualified. Okay. What is it? The petitioners, 18 in numbers, have prayed for direction to appoint as constable within bracket GD in Central Armed Police Force, SSF, and riflemen within bracket GD in Assam Rifles. By declaring the result of the recruitment process pursuant to the advertisement dated 24/11/2023. Where is the advertisement?
Yes, my lord. Advertisement page, my lord, 25.
This is issued by whom?
Staff Selection Commission.
Staff Selection Commission, huh? It is the, it is projected by the petitioners that the petitioners have successfully completed the computer-based examination, physical standard test, physical efficiency test and medical examination. Now after completion, after successful completion of science, the commission has declared the result on 13/12/2024. But the result of the petitioner have been withheld due to purported mismatch of biometric data. It is the case, it is the petitioner claims that they have scored marks above the cutoff marks in their respective categories. Therefore, the petitioner claims that the claims that press for direction to the respondent authorities to complete the verification and declare the result. Also for consequential appointment to the post of Constable GD in the Central Armed Police Force, SSF and riflemen in bracket GD in Assam Rifles. Mr. MS
P. Sharma,
V. Sharma, Learned Counsel, CJC,
CGC.
Learned CJC for the respondents by placing the instruction, copy of the instruction dated 16/10/2025. Submits that in respect of the petition number 17,
petitioner number 7, although in the list it is 17.
Okay. Where do you say, from where do you get it 7?
7 is serial number in the read petition,
Hmm.
but in our instruction it is 17. Ajoy Gogoi.
Petitioner number 7. His case has been forwarded to SSC to declare his results as he is found to be qualified. Huh? And the rest of this, and as regards the, and with regard to rest of the petitioners, cases have been submitted to either NCRB,
National Crime Research Bureau.
NCRB within brackets CFPB, huh? Bracket code, CFSL Guwahati, New Delhi, huh? Then CFSL Guwahati. For verification of thumb impression and signature and handwriting. Is agreed to by next one, huh? In that, having considered that the respondent authorities have undertaken exercises of verification and thereby refer the cases as forwarded to the State Civil Selection Commission to declare a result has been found qualified and also submitted to the respective authorities, either in New Delhi and Guwahati, for verification of thumb impression and signature and handwriting of the petitioners, and has agreed to by learned counsel for the petitioners. And of the considered that the present petition can be disposed of with the direction to the respondent authorities to complete the process of verification and appointment. The respondent authorities, please, accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of with the direction to the respondent authorities to undertake the process of verification and consequential and to pass consequential orders based on the verification, including issuance of including the declaration of the result of petition number 7. As he has already been found to be qualified.
এইটো দিলে নেকি চাকৰি? চৰকাৰী চাকৰি পাবি নে?
Within a period of qualified, as early as expeditiously restored. Preferably, within a period of 3 months. 3 months from today. 3 months from today. That's all.
My lord.
To complete the verification, Lordship. To complete the verification.
Verification and declaration of the result in respect of petition number 7.
7 already declared that he is.
No, you said it's already forwarded for declaration.
Lordship.
Declare his result and
For others, it's for.
for verification only.
Obliged, my lord.
After verification and pass appropriate orders, subject to, depends on the outcome of verification. The entire process will become 3 months.
Obliged, my lord.
Sinister. According.
So we are going to file affidavit, let's with copy already served.
Today I have received the copy, my lord, of affidavit, my
What
lord.
is the matter, sir?
My lord, regarding the selection of assistant professor, my lord, already been, I have been selected by the governing body and it has been recommended to the director as per the rule 5 of the secondary rules 2018, this RCND rules. Then my lord,
So you have received it today?
Yeah, we are
today
going to
itself
file.
I have
We are
received.
going to
So 2 weeks time maybe
Not
granted for filing
Mr.
reply.
Beach London Council for the petitioner,
I am as Bhuya,
Mr. S. Buya,
Standing
London
Council, Higher
Standing Council Higher Education
for 1 and 2.
submits that he would be filing the affidavit during the course of the
Lordship,
day.
today or by Monday, Lordship.
During the course of the day.
We'll try, Lordship.
And the copy of the affidavit has already been furnished to the London Council petitioner in advance. So, considering above, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship, we'll try, Lordship, but by Monday, Lordship. We'll try definitely file today. If fail, that's why by Monday.
In that case, by Monday.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please, your lordship.
Yes.
These petitioners are serving as Hindi language teachers in upper primary schools, which were provincialized, or seeking provincialization of their service, your lordship. It is a covered case by way of a judgment of your lordship, which is at page number 179, your lordship. And the penultimate paragraph, lordship, will find at page number 186. And following this judgment, your lordship, several other petitions have recently been also disposed of. The covered case, your lord. They will reconsider in terms of section 3111. Page 186, lordship, will find. Paragraph 21.
Yes, do you agree?
Let them file their individual representations.
Let
them file their individual representation before the authority, my lord.
It's covered squarely.
Squarely covered, your lordship. And in fact, following this decision, some other petitions have recently been disposed of also. Maybe we start last week also, your lordship. Some other
Then we'll say that it's a covered case.
Lordship.
Huh? Facts are different.
No, exactly same, your lordship.
The
They were also
same school or what?
no, different schools or different ME schools, but they are serving as Hindi language teachers.
Same subject
Same,
teacher.
subject, same, subject,
Same provisions.
same provision, everything same.
That case, so you just record victim, record your line. You will last one. This. Page. We'll just modify it.
Three.
So you have agreed that this is squarely covered? Disposed of,
My
allowed
friend
and
is,
disposed of.
my friend is appearing for respondent number 3, man.
You just heard Mr. M.H. Laskar,
PK Bora,
P.K. Bora,
elementary education, respondent number
Student
1, 2,
Council
4 and 5.
for elementary education and, for
Respondent number 3.
Deputy Commissioner.
still,
25.
25. 20 and 25. Just reprint this over. Nahi?
Obliged.
Dispose of. 20 and 25, huh? Huh? Key correction. नहीं, itu सब बोल. हिंदी बोलेगा dictation बोलना है. Yes.
The respondent side to sign for taking instructions from the department.
What is your case, madam?
My case is the petition is filed. Suspension order. So the petitioner is a junior engineer.
Town and country planning.
The petitioner pension since 6th of December 2024, Your Lordship, and his departmental posting is pending, but no action is taken regarding the proceeding of departmental inquiry, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, after finding this, since his salary is totally stopped by the department, Your Lordship, he is now even not getting his subsistence transaction.
Yes,
Yes, Lordship, last occasion.
had the charge memo been filed? Charge sheet has been filed. But then no departmental proceedings.
Started, Your Lordship.
You have replied. When the charge memo was supplied to you? Memorandum of charges. Did you file the reply?
Started, Your Lordship.
No, any charge sheet has been filed. Have you been charged with served with the charge sheet? Yes, then
Lordship, regarding departmental proceeding, I have to take instruction, Lordship. Last occasion, I have already.
When you were
communicated-
suspended, 2024. Is there any review? Any review?
Reinstated.
Huh?
Petitioner is reinstated
The petition-
in this.
The Lordship, the petitioner is under suspension since
Fu-
December 2024.
Yes.
He's not even getting his salary after filing of this suspended petition.
No, when you are under suspension, you will not get the salary. You will get the subsistence allowance. What is your ground here?
Round of
What is your
petition,
prayer here? I mean,
Requesting the respondents to conclude the departmental proceedings. The hearing
raise the petitioner with immediate dispose of the department proceedings within a period of it may be passed into reinstatement of independence. So charge sheet has been filed.
Harshit is filed a Lordship in connection to.
No, departmental proceeding. No memo of charges supplied to you, not initiated at all. There is no the review. Is there any review?
The petitioner was suspended. He was told that a departmental proceeding will be started, but till date, no proceeding is even started. Your Lordship.
Not review.
Not in- Your Lordship.
No review, no charge sheet, no charge memo. Then what is the law? What is the law? If there's no review within 90 days and no charge memo is filed, Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm asking, what is the law? Yes,
Yes,
take
Lordship.
instruction.
Yes, Lordship, I have to take instruction on last occasion. I have took time, Lordship.
Huh.
And we have communicated, we have informed that bail order has been received on 3/12/24. And after that, petitioner make a representation, file a representation before the authority for the reinstatement on 17/2/25. After that, the present status is have to instruct.
Next week.
Yes, Lordship.
What? 1 week, will grant it, will dispose it. If your allegation and your submission is correct, let us see how fair you are. Heard MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petition. Further, a week's time is granted, considering the nature of issue involved in this petition. Further, a week's time is granted to MS
S. Borua.
S. Barua, London State Council to obtain instruction. This after a week.
Yes, obviously.
My lord, appeal is not disposed of. My lord, that it was sent to our personnel B department for taking some views, Lordship. It was pending, Lordship.
So-
Because
As per last order, Lordship,
my lord, last order, my lord, it is, my lord, this is my fault, Lordship. I was, my lord, wrongly submitted on that day, my lord. It was disposed on 11/11, Lordship. It is my fault, my lord. Some other cases, I want to submit this submission, Lordship. Now, my lord, it was recorded in this,
No, you said likely to be disposed of.
Lordship.
So it is not likely.
No, not. Lordship.
Why?
It was not my lord, disposal because, my lord, it was sent for the personnel B department for some views, Lordship.
Have you filed affidavit?
No, Lordship, not.
You file affidavit.
Lordship.
affidavit in this case may not require, because we file an institutory appeal before the authority.
Authority, but after dismissal,
Why you are not this? When did you file the?
That is one, Lordship,
January 10.
2025.
9/1?
2025.
Why you are delaying?
That personnel views, my lord, they are seeking some, my lord.
It's okay. It's been months,
Lordship.
months together.
More than 10 months.
And Mr. M. Khan, done counsel for the petitioner. Although Mr. J. Hendrik, learned standing counsel for
Revenue
Revenue Department, had stated on 31/10/2025 that the appeal preferred by the petitioner is likely to be disposed of by 11/11/2025, comma, today. He submits that on a wrong impression, he has made the above statement in view of the fact that, and please stop. The appeal is pending. What is there? For want of
Lordship, want of views from the personal.
views from department,
Personal
personnel
B
department. Mr. He submits that as soon as the owners, you advise them,
Lordship.
get it done.
Lordship.
He submits that he would advise to the department to dispose of the appeal of the petition as expeditiously. List of considering above. Let this matter be listed after
2 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
Maybe date may be given because we are waiting only for the outcome of that results.
Hmm.
That appeal. Otherwise, Lordship, again, we may approach before this honorable, so particular.
3 weeks. Dispose it takes time, no?
Lordship, Lordship.
Particular date, I am praying for particular date, Lordship.
3 weeks will be listed. Mr. Khan.
May I present the call?
Yes, any instruction?
Your Lordship, regarding the departmental proceedings, Your Lordship, we have not received any instructions because, Your Lordship, the POXO case for the petitioner, Your Lordship, against the petitioner, it is still pending
Hmm.
adjudication, Your Lordship. That is why we've not been able to get proper instructions, Your Lordship.
No, it's regarding departmental thing only, suspension. You are still in suspension.
Still in suspension, the suspension order lost its force, which cannot govern because due to the law, my lordship knows, 90 days is already.
You obtain instruction
Yes, Your
after
Lord.
2 weeks.
Already 90 days is over, my lord.
Huh?
90 days is if my
Let
lord
us see. That's the reason I'm was allowing him 2 weeks time.
after a week, my lord.
2 weeks. Huh?
Not doing that.
Which department?
Your Lordship, Assam University,
Sure.
Where it is?
Silchar, Your Lordship, 2 weeks.
Silchar.
2 weeks. Silchar is too far.
How many days?
See, you want your colleague to go by the train.
My lord.
Why not by air?
Obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
Mr. A.R. Boyalan, counsel for the petition. Considering the issue involved, which pertains to suspension of the petitioner, I may so and so learn counsel for the respondent to obtain instruction. And 2 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction. This after 2 weeks.
Sir, may I pray for a date, my lord?
Well, it will be listed after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
In this matter, my lord, I pray for 2 weeks time for raising instruction, my lord. Matter relates to provincialization of service, my lord.
But Mr. A. Sharma, N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner.
And
For
B.
that,
Talukdar
on
for
the prayer of Mr. Talukdar, so and so learned counsel for
standing council elementary.
granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
My lord.
3 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
I am an assistant jailer actually. I have been in my service from
help him.
14.
What is the matter?
The matter is that I got selected and to go in a deputation to the NIA. Everything was done. But some departmental inquiry was done in the month of February. So the thing is that on the pretext of this departmental inquiry, my deputation has been cancelled.
My lord,
Not sure what happened is actually in this from 2005/8/2024 till 15/2/2025.
Pleadings are complete.
No, my lord, I have received instruction. I will file affidavit, my lord.
I have filed my affidavit on behalf of respondent. That is the NIA.
Your Honor, in the this filing of the affidavit of the pro forma defendant, which is the NIA, the petitioner has no objection. They wanted their name to be deleted. We have just made a pro forma defendant for them so that the case is in their ears.
It's okay.
So if they had asked for to get their names,
Mr. We're granting him some time.
oh yes, 2 weeks time.
And the counsel for the petitioner.
Highest motion.
Mr. Arkady, he submits that he has already filed the affidavit on behalf of NIA.
Yes, Lordship.
Respondent number?
Four.
Respondent number 4, NIA, huh? On the prayer of Mr. No, not only prayer. Mr. Thesis with the Alani State Council is granted for the 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Can we interfere lightly on the departmental proceeding?
Department proceedings. Actually, this is. Inquiry is going on, Madam. Interference, what happens actually,
Anyway, next we'll see, or next day we'll hear you. Let them file affidavit.
Item 28.
Finish the listing, huh? There is a election matter is also there. Yes.
Well, it's absolutely covered case, my lord, on 27 case. It is a matter relating to their own working as a casual worker for last 20 years. So they were not paid, my lord, minimum pay scale. Minimum pay scale of pay, my lord. So similar to came before the honorable court, my lord. The court is going to dispose of the same on 27, 10/2025, my lord. Absolutely same matter, my lord. It's quite covered.
Same department.
Same department.
Same department. Let's see. Who is for the Panchayat?
They were present with. Yes, my lord. So in this thing, they also agree. They are saying, they are directed the my lord, the Panchayat department to verify their claim. After one verifying their claim, if my lord, they are found entitled for grant of minimum pay scale as claim by law, then directed the Panchayat department to send proposal to the finance department, and then finance department will take decision in accordance with law within 30 days. Absolutely covered case, my lord. And one more covered case I also include in this case, my lord. Page 55 of the petition, that is also mentioned, my lord, in this case, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, lordship.
Is it a covered case?
It is absolutely covered.
Huh?
Yes, with similar direction, it may be disposed of.
Same.
Yes. There are 1, 2, 3, absolutely same.
Which Jila Parishad?
It is same.
Hailakandi.
Same, absolutely same. Word by word, same, man. Only
Word
case-
by word.
Yes, only case number and the petition's number will differ.
So no objection. Heard Mr.
FKR,
S.K. Das.
FKR Ahmed.
FKR Ahmed. And also heard Mr.
AK Ghosh on behalf of Mr. S. Datta.
Are you sure? It's similar. Covered case?
Yes, with the direction to the commissioner, it may be. Absolutely
The same order. Just the-
28.
take later, huh? Dispose of.
Pension matter, my lord. Pension matter, pension has not been paid. And last one, my lord, I think. We did our provisional pension. The last one.
Yes.
Lordship, on the earlier dates, instructions was placed that the petitioner would have to submit certain documents.
Yeah.
Only then the pension would be processed.
Hmm.
Unless the petitioner submits those documents from the authorities, it cannot be done.
What is your instruction?
Lordship, I have no further instructions, but I have already placed it on the earlier date. Probably you will have to come and
Yes.
sign certain documents before the concerned authorities. Then only those papers can be forwarded to the office of the AG. Probably he has not signed. And so far as my instruction is concerned, I appear for the office of the accountant general, my lord. The pay slip till the date of his retirement has been issued, but the pension could not be processed because the papers have not been forwarded to us. Probably he has not signed those documents. He'll have to. I mean, can
No, no, last time petitioner, that is consular petitioner pressed for further 2 weeks time to complete his instruction as to whether the writ petitioner has submitted relevant papers before this so. You have to take instruction.
But without the papers being,
Provisional pension, that can be issued, if you got prior No, no, why? You have sought for a time, what is the paper? Okay, I will give it, give me the release of provisional pension, my lord, there is no bar issue with the provisional pension. As per section. No, last time the same thing was, this is meanwhile the respondent will process the claim of the writ petitioner for release of provisional pension, huh? The process will be the process to release of.
Chief, unless he submits this pay slip, last pay certificate to process the provisional pension, so those documents would be necessary.
No, that is not the provisional pension, that document. Heard Mr. So-and-so.
One more prayer, my lord, the extra copy of the writ petition has not been furnished, my lord.
Only my provisional, that can be released. Provisional pension, that can be released. Sir, you have not done your job, your part also. I understand, but then there is already direction. What more direction we want?
Extra copies may be.
To process, huh?
Extra copies may be served.
This is something you should not make a submission for extra copy. Not Mr. So-and-so, learn counsel for the petitioner. You have sought for 2 weeks time last time. No, not heard, huh? On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Further 2 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction as sought by. As sought for on 17/10/2025, huh?
I pay for the AG, man.
So-and-so, huh?
Mr. B. Sharma for the AG.
You also obtain instruction why the provisional pension has been paid or not.
Okay.
Status of that.
Congratulations.
My lord, I have received this.
Acha.
I have received instruction, I will file affidavit.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learn counsel for the 3 weeks time is granted to Mr. T.C. Suti, learn state counsel for filing affidavit.